Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a group chat on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open the message app. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner like you'll normally do to compose a message. And in the section where you would normally add the contact, you're going to simply type out their names that you would like to add to the group. Or you could tap on the plus to add them. I will simply type out the names of the persons that I want to add in the group. After you have done that, you can simply send the message that you would like to send to the group. As you can see right there, that's it. Now if you would like to add someone else to the group in the future, you can simply tap at the top where you see the two icons, two people. And from here you can simply tap on the arrow again where you see the names. Then you could tap on add contact. And from here you could add someone else to the group. Or you could tap on change name and photo at the top if you would like to change the name of the group and also change the group photo. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.